Mm, no. Okay, so what's up? Okay, so welcome back to the live, and let me quickly share the links to everybody so everyone can join in. Yesterday was like okay. Yesterday I wasn't able to go live though. So I'm just getting the link so everybody can like join in. So the link for this live stream will be in the Telegram channel. So if you want to share it as well, so we'll basically do like a top and an analysis. So this was yesterday. We had the 15 minutes. So okay, let's start from this week. So this was Monday. Yeah, Monday, same thing. 9 a.m. Yeah, mark out high and low. Marked out this high. Marked out this low. So you could see none of them was taken out. Around 4 a.m. That was when the high was taken out. So after the high was taken out by 4 p.m., it went straight up. But I wasn't able to trade because it was 4 a.m. So 4 a.m. is quite late. So I was able to take that trade. Then we had Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday the same thing, which was yesterday. So Tuesday came very late. That's why it came around 2 p.m. So I guess I would just have to be active on the chat even till night, even till midnight to wait for the break. So usually I just once it's 1 o'clock, I'll just leave the chat. I wouldn't wait for the break for the breakout of 9. So this is how it is basically 9 o'clock here. 9 o'clock here. Then mark out the previous high, previous low, wait for a structural break of the high or the low. So we had the break here, and you see it was a clean win Tuesday yesterday, but it came around 2 p.m. and I was already on the charts. So today I'll be watching the charts very well and watching for that breakout, so I don't miss it. Just like yeah, where we had here. So we had this on Monday. On Monday, this was the high we were looking out for to get taken out because the high formed before 9. So yeah, so this is 9 a.m. This is the high that formed before 9, and this was where it was taken out here. So our entry probably would have been around here at the fair value gap. Then stop loss would be maybe probably around here or here. So let's just assume it's even here, self. We have still hit take profit for the 2 days, because it's just 2 to 1 weeks reward ratio. So we'll have probably hit take profit already. And I guess the stop loss will just be around here because the stop loss will get top loss from the 3 minutes. So that was like, cool. So I guess it's just a few lessons that we can take. So I'll just basically wait. So everyone, I'll wait and drop it on Telegram channel. So the link to the Telegram, to the live session is on Telegram channel. Let me quickly share it over to WhatsApp as well. So basically there has been no loss this week, and also apparently no trades because we've missed like 2 trades because they really came late. So probably today's trade might even come late as well. So you just have to watch, even though it's past the trading time, you still have to watch and find a way to execute. So just like today, this is structural high. I don't want to use this low actually. I'll be using this low and I'll be using this high. So I'll be using this low and I'll be using this high. So once we get the takeout of this high, once we get price to take out this high, then we'll look for the buy. Once we get price to take out this low, then we can look for a sell. So this is not just any regular high or low, basically it's based on time. So you can see that I put this line here. This is to mark out 9 a.m., which is 3 a.m. New York time. Then you have to mark out the previous high on the 50 minutes, the previous low on the 50 minutes. Anyone that gets taken out first, you look for a buy or a sell setup. Looks very simple, but you can see it here. This was the high we marked. It worked here. As you can see, this was the low we marked out. It didn't get taken out, but this high got taken out, and you see when to take profit. That's not the only example. You can see this was the 9 o'clock previous high, previous low. Then it didn't take, this was, as you can see, this is the analysis, just like today's analysis. Sorry, let me quickly share this. Just hold on. Just hold on a bit. Okay, yeah. So this was a structural high. This was structural low. This was when it got taken out. It got taken out here. After the takeout, we look for a fair value gap. So this was the fair value gap available for the entry, and we just had to take this entry and put it here. And we'll use the recent low on the 3 minutes. And basically aim for like a 2 to 1 ratio. But you can see it went for like 6. So you just need to do like 2 to 1 ratio, and you'll be okay. So that's just how it is. Strategy works like magic, and you can see this is just this week's data. Just this week's data. There's no loss at all. So the same thing here. That's what we're doing today again. The same whole funny strategy that requires you to have a buy and a sell scenario. have a buy and a sell scenario in mind. I don't. Nobody actually trades like this where they have like buy, they have sell in mind. Most people just feel like okay, gold is going to buy. They have a one directional bias, which I do not really like. Just one directional bias. So as you can see, we're using two directional biases, and two directional has been working quite good. So that's how we're going to continue. And yeah, still the same two directional bias. Use it to pass Propfirm. We use it to with just three trades in a day, pass your Propfirm, do all the stuff. So you need to do something crazy, flipping and other stuff. It's not consistent. You only do it online just to get people to pay for mentorship and stuff. But this is what actually makes you consistent money here. So you can decide to if you want to learn about the strategy and like the all the components. Yeah, you can join my private mentorship. Send me a DM on WhatsApp. I think my WhatsApp number in the description, or you can send me a DM on Telegram because my Telegram channel is there. You join and you just DM me on Telegram. Then you can get to learn the strategy. But if you want to just like have a basic understanding of it, yeah, I'm going to let me share my I'm going to share my screen and show you so you join. You can just check out the YouTube channel because I dropped a video there. Although I feel like I should delete the video soon already so the strategy doesn't get like casted because nobody trades like that. So let me show you over here. Still loading. Okay, so it's loading here. If you go to the channel, you see it's something like the title is basically 90% win rate gold trading strategy. So in that, I break down everything. So basically, I want to set an alert here, trading view alert. The internet connection is terrible, so can't really set the alert right now. Basically, I want to set an alert down here and up here so that when price, okay, I think it's trying to reconnect. So once price taps those areas, I'll get notified on my devices. So let me quickly put this. Okay, yeah. Let me quickly put this here. So this will be the buy scenario, 2 to 1 ratio, 1 ratio, nothing crazy. Then also have the sell scenario, 2 to 1 ratio, 1 ratio, nothing crazy. So whichever plays out, just like the previous days that we have been winning, you can see there's nobody going to tell you that this shit doesn't work. So as you can see, it works. You can see it here. We had the same two directional bias here. We had a buy and a sell scenario just like this, just like today. But the buy played out. So you don't just pick any high, you pick out structural highs based on time, based on New York time. So if you want to learn it in detail, join the private mentorship, send me a DM on WhatsApp. I'll mentor you privately. So also going to set the alerts for when we get a cross below that low. So anyone, if we get a cross above the high or cross above the low, I get notified, then we can win. So this week has been like 100% win rate because we have not gotten any loss. How can I get your WhatsApp? I want to chat with you regarding Willis Capital. So I'm just seeing this comment now. I'm just seeing this comment now. Okay. So I'll basically pin it here. Yeah. 450. So my WhatsApp number is in the chat box here, Ebenezer. You're asking, so I'm also displaying it on the screen right now. So okay, yes, this is it. Let me type it again. Send me a DM on WhatsApp. 6166 905. So that's the WhatsApp. So as you can see, we're about to get the break above this high. So we'll probably be looking for a buy setup really soon. So let's just hold on and see how it all plays out. Yeah. So this is the video. Yeah, this is it. This one. As you can see, it has around like 2,000 views. So that's to show that a lot of people really gain a lot of value from this video. 2.2k views. You can check out my other views like 200, 200, 400 views. But the one that talked about how to actually make money with this strategy had around like 2,000 views. So you're advised to watch it if you want to learn and if you want to be mentored on. Because learning the strategy alone is not enough. Basically, you have to also learn risk management, trading psychology, and all that. So that's how you use it to become profitable. Because you can have this information now and you still not make money. This is very, very true because you wouldn't know how to manage your trade. You wouldn't know what to do once it reverses back to your entry. You wouldn't know all the stuff unless you're actually mentored on those stuff. Those of you that already have trading experience and you want to get a Propfirm account, you can use Willis Capital Propfirm account. I think I dropped the link in the description. So using the referral code when you're purchasing, you use the referral code AARONTECHFX. So all caps, then you can join. Then you can get it. I think you'll be getting it like at a discount or something. So our trade is about to play out just like yesterday. If it doesn't, it might not play out. It might just start trading inside this box like this. Then once we get the breakout and it's still inside today, but yeah, if it's still inside today, then we can still take the trade here. So just like yesterday's zone came around 2 o'clock sharp. That was when yesterday came. While on Tuesday came around 5 a.m. So I wasn't even awake then. Then on Monday, yeah, see, this was Friday. Okay, this was Monday. Monday's own came on Tuesday. Okay, and again, Tuesday came that same Tuesday, which was yesterday. So we're waiting for today now to play out and let's see how things go. Feel free to drop your comments in the comment section. We can interact here while we're waiting for our trade to play out. So I answer questions as well. I check out peers. If you want me to check out some peers, you can check it out. Any peer you're looking at or you're currently trading, and I can probably check out those peers. Maybe we're going to analyze it together or something. I think tomorrow, or let's do it every Friday. Yeah, every Friday we're going to get somebody to join the live stream, somebody from the audience. So I'll drop a link in the comment section. If you click on it, you'll be able to join the live stream. Everybody will see your face and see your chat as well. And all that. So thanks for I've got another comment. Thanks for enlightening, but I came a bit late. Do you think gold would retrace before pulling up further? If you came a bit late and you wanted to see like the analysis, it's even though it's a live stream, you can literally just rewind it. Yes, you can rewind. You can you can rewind and check out what we talked about earlier. So feel free to do that. Feel free to rewind the video As for the second part of your question, which is would it retrace before pulling up further? I don't know, and I do not care if it's going to retrace or if it's going to do any other thing. I do not actually know, and I don't care. What I care about right now is being patient and waiting for a breakout of this high or of this low. I don't care if it's going to retrace. I don't care if it's going to do that. I don't care if it's going to pull back or anything. I just want to see a breakout of the high and low. Then I wait for retracement into a fair value gap and buy. That's what has been making me money consistently, as you can see if you watch previous live streams. So there's no point in me saying of me trying to predict. I'm not trying to predict anything. I'm waiting to let the market show me what it wants to do. Self-predicting. Self-predicting, yeah. So if you're just joining and you haven't subscribed, you can do that. Also give the video a thumbs up, yeah. Give the video a thumbs up so more people can get to see what we're doing here. And we have quite a number of people on the live stream, so I would like to see the comments coming in. Like, just drop your thoughts. Any chat you want me to check out. Any chat you want me to check out, check it out. Yeah, so okay, that's nice, nice. Okay, check out GBP USD. What's your take on the joy pair? What's the joy pair? I guess that was like a typo. So go on now comment. Check out GBP USD. So okay, let's check out GBP USD. Yeah, let's check out GBP USD. Just as requested. So if you have other requests, make sure to drop it out. GBP is kind of looking like gold already. Okay, someone's a bit confused. Code corner. Let me know why you're confused. Why are you confused? What are you confused about, basically? If it's a complex question, you can rewind the video to see answers to that. So GBP what do I think? Let's do a top-down analysis on GBP We might be even looking to take out these highs on the weekly time frame. But most of you don't really care about the weekly time frame because you take your entries. You take your entries on like the daily. I'm sorry, like the 15 minutes, 1 hour. Hardly, very few people, I believe, here take their entries on the 4-hour time frame. So we shouldn't be concerned as much. So dropping down. This is okay. I see your question code corner. Once I'm done with analyzing GBP USD um for this sorry, I can't pronounce your name, but once I'm done analyzing GBP USD for you, I'll go over to code corner's long question in the comment section. So we already have our plan on gold, and it's in the Telegram channel. So you check out the Telegram channel, you see that I'll drop the analysis for gold, what we're expecting. Okay, I haven't dropped it yet, so I'll drop it in the Telegram channel. Link to join Telegram channel is in the description. The daily time frame on gold on GBP USD, basically you can see that there's a fair value gap here, which there's a possibility that we might drop into that gap, or we might proceed higher. because there's this other block here that looks very nice for price to go and tap. Either break it or just gonna come down. So that looks like a good target, that other block here. So going down to the daily time frame, the 4 hour time frame, you can see this is a bullish structure. Nobody's gonna tell you that this is not bullish. This is actually very bullish structure on the 4 hour. The only thing that's going to make this not bullish is when this low gets taken out. So as well here, it's very bullish. We have another block here that could resist the price. So basically, what I'm looking for in GBP is just to see if there could be a change of structure somewhere around here, or shift to market structure where I'm going to buy up to that other block. So let me go down to the 1 hour and see if we can get something like that. So this 1 hour structure looks very beautiful, very beautiful. I could actually go in with a buy right now, like right now, so but this is going to take a long time to play out because this is obviously the 1 hour time frame. So I'll put my stop loss just below this other block low. Then I'll put my take profit at 2 to 1 ratio. 1 ratio is what I usually target, but you can target that other block right here. So this will be my thoughts on GBP USD. I don't know if I should take a screenshot of this and just send it over to Telegram channel. We don't trade any other thing except from gold on Telegram channel, but you can take a snapshot of it on your own, your screenshot. This is what I'm thinking on GBP USD on the 1 hour time frame. So because it's the 1 hour. Then let me check out the 15 minutes if I could see more, if I could get more clarity. If you want to sniper entry, you have to look for the same thing we look for on the 4 hour, but on the 1 hour, but in a smaller time frame perspective. So if I was to go in a sniper entry, I would not be buying right now. I'll actually be waiting. I'll actually be waiting for a shift in market structure. This is a structural high, so I just have to wait for price to take out this high, retrace, then I buy. So that's when I'm going to be buying if I'm looking for a sniper entry. But the 1 hour entry I just entered, I just placed, it's not a sniper entry because it's on the 1 hour time frame. If you want to sniper like a very little drawdown type stuff, but this is what you'll be waiting for on GBP. So I hope that helps you out a bit. You can let me know what you were thinking on GBP or your own thoughts for your entry already on GBP. Then next question, thought the mark out, okay, thought the mark out of the recent low high should be before the 15 minutes 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. UTC -5. Yes, it is exactly. Go to gold again. XAUUSD. Okay, so exactly, you are right here. You said you thought the mark out of the recent high and low should be before 15 minutes 9 a.m. UTC -5. And it's true. This is okay, let me change this to UTC -5. This is UTC -5, New York time. New York time is 3 a.m. New York time, not 9 a.m. UTC -5. 9 a.m. is the Nigerian time. The New York time is 3 a.m. So this is it. This is the mark out, 3 a.m. So we'll have to go to the 15 minutes and mark out the previous high before 15 a.m. before 3 a.m. New York time, and we'll mark out the previous low before 3 a.m. before New York time again. So this is the previous high before 3 a.m. New York time. This is the previous low before 3 a.m. New York time, because this one was around 2:15 a.m. New York time. This one was around 8:45 p.m. New York time. So this is our mark out here. This blue line is 3 a.m. New York time. I mark out previous high, previous low before that time, and I wait for that high or low to get taken out. So sorry, I've not even posted this on my Telegram channel. So okay, getting a question. The screen is paused. Well, if my screen is paused, it's probably just the internet connection, and I really cannot do anything about that. I cannot do anything about the internet connection just right now. But hopefully it should get better. So let me quickly send this over to Telegram channel. Okay. XAUUSD outlook for today, 19th February 2025. Buy about to play out. Okay, so you can see a buy is about to play out. I should be, yeah, okay, that is great. This is cool. So I have to wait for a retracement. This is nice. So let me log in my trading account so I can start to plot my entry. So I should be looking for a retracement and a buy very soon. So I will just have to delete this because we don't need the lower, because we already have that high taken out. We don't need this again. We don't need the delete. Okay, so we're waiting for retracement. Yeah, just have to wait patiently. Okay, my trading account is ready to go. I'll be risking $100 on this trade to get $200. So this should take me up to like 5,300 on this prop account. While gold is rushing, it doesn't want to give a chance for an entry. I just had to, okay, fuck the man. We had the 1 minute entry here. Damn. We had a 1 minute entry that I did not see. This was the 1 minute entry here. Hopefully I get a retracement. Oh. Two to one weeks reward. We had this 1 minute entry that, oh shit. So now just wait for the retracement, then I can't really rush. I don't want to rush in right now. I don't want to rush in, so I'm gonna wait. If it goes, it goes. Yeah, so that's just it. there are multiple other days. Just that I didn't see the 1 minute. I would have gone in for it earlier. I'm just gonna wait for retracement. Okay, we're getting a pullback. Red candle. Trying to see red candles. My candles are black, but still like to call them red candles. Okay, it seems it's forming. Check 1 minute. I don't want to go in on the 1 minute again since the 1 minute has already rushed up. Yeah, there is an entry here on the 1 minute, but I would like it to go a bit lower. That price seems too high for me personally. It seems very high from the breakout. Yeah, so the high seems very high for me. So else, but you could go in here. You could go in for a buy, but the stop loss is going to be really wide. Stop loss is probably going to be like 70, 90 pips. So or around 61 pips. So I want it to go a bit lower. Then I want it to go a bit lower. I want it to go. I'll probably go in if we could tap that block. So 60 pips. So I have to bring out my calculator and calculate how much I'll be risking before entering the trade. So 60 pips. I want to risk $100. How much will I be risking? How many lot size values? So 100 divided by 60. Or is it 60 divided by 100? That should be around a 0.6 lot size. I'm targeting my entry at this block. Targeting my entry at that block. I still feel like there could be a retracement into my original entry at 2942.392. I feel like it could be a retracement back there because I don't want to go in on the 1 minute right now. It seems quite high. Price seems very pricey. So I want to touch this block here. That price seems more reasonable. Yep, we're getting the push down, So let's see. Quick. I think we have the tap. We have the tap there. So I want to go in on 0.0. Let me go in on 0.06 and see 0.05 first. Then I can add going in on 0.05. Did I go in? Yeah, it did. It went in. Did it go in? Close position, open positions. It didn't go in. So okay, it's in now. Stop loss. How did you set that stop loss again? stop loss is below this low. Okay, drag it. We just drag it. Well, the stop loss. I think I have to go in again to get a better stop loss. 0.05 again. Good. Then check where we are. Okay, I go in at 0.06. Oh, I had that first position even opened there. Let me close out this one. So let me drag the stop loss down here, 53. So saving it, $53 stop, and the second one is around 43. So it's not still enough here. Need to make it about $100. So my stop loss basically is even on. Okay, it's this low here, so it's safe. Let me go in again at 0. Let me go in again at 0.02. In 0.02 will make everything about $100. Or 0.01. 0.01 should make everything by $100 rate. Price has gone really high. So let's just go in at 0.01. Stop loss below here. Okay, that's okay. So everything should be around like $100 now. So everything should be like $100. Although I still entered quite high. I entered around. I think everything should be around here. That's a very, very pricey entry. Still couldn't wait. But we had a 3 minutes FVG here. We had a 3 minutes FVG here. So next time, I guess it's just I have to check on the 1 minute. Immediately I have the 3 minute structure break. Then I could pick. Next time I'll try to always check the 1 minute. So this is the stop loss just around here. Okay, just around here. So the panic point here where you should start looking to take out positions is when if price takes out these lows, then I'll start looking to take out my positions, maybe 1 or 2 positions, because at that point I think it's okay. So I'm looking for a 2-to-1 ratio. Beautiful. So that is it. Deleting this. So this is our trade for today. Okay. So just dropping this signal on my Telegram channel. So we're in profits around $11 here, so you can see about around $11 profit. Around $11 profit. Yeah, so this is it. This is it for today, guys. This is it. So I'm confused. Who is confused? I'm just seeing you for the first time here. You're complaining you're confused. I'm seeing you for the first time, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe so you can get notified and join the Telegram as well. And join Telegram as well. So if you, I don't know exactly what you're confused about, but anything you're confused about, feel free to just rewind the video and check it out. So that's our entry for today. That is all for today. The analysis, the entry, everything is in the live stream. You can rewind it and check. Everything is on live stream. You can rewind and check. Then you can send me a DM on WhatsApp. As I said, my number I dropped in the comment section. I think it's also in the description. And join the Telegram. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as well for tips, tricks, and other stuff that will be coming later on. So this is another chance for another entry here. It's retracing, so you can look for a fair value gap here and buy again. And buy if you have no bought, not buy again. Sorry. So that'll be all for today. See you guys tomorrow. Thursday. Thursday usually has a very good win rate for us. So see you guys tomorrow, Thursday. And let's do this shit again. Time frame. The time frame basically it's on my watermark XAUUSD, 3. I think it means 3 minutes. If I change this to 15 minutes, you get to see the time frame on my chart behind, like on the watermark. So that's all about the time frame, yeah. So see you guys tomorrow, yeah, same time. And I'll drop the updates on the trades in the Telegram channel. I'll drop the updates on the trades in the Telegram channel. So thank you, you also appreciated Ebenezer. We have Akin, there's Code Corners, and yeah, all of you guys are joining. You have a nice day. See you guys tomorrow. Also see you in the Telegram channel. Feel free to DM me if you want to. Peace.